The pursuit of we humans catching fish goes back to the most ancient of times. As you can imagine, it was primarily done as a means of harvesting food, but it also developed into a recreational activity where one can spend quality time relaxing in the great outdoors, as well as an opportunity to test one's skills. Many fishing historians state that the first recorded use of an artificial fly can be found in 2nd century Rome, where Claudius Aelianus described the practice of Macedonian fishermen crafting artificial lures from red wool and feathers and going after fish on the Asterias River with 6-foot-long fishing rods. Now, the first references to catching fish such as trout with what we now refer to as flies can be found much later though, in 13th century England. These first fly patterns were simply hooks covered with feathers that were fished on the surface of the water to entice a strike. As humans continued their pursuit of catching fish with feathers and hooks, fly fishing began to evolve into a recreational sport as found in the culture of 15th century England. It's commonly believed that an article published in 1496 entitled The Treatise of Fly Fishing with an Angle, written by Dame Juliana Breners, who was an English nun, gave birth to fly fishing as a sport. It's the earliest known article on fly fishing, which also served as a detailed fly fishing manual. Many other foundational publications emerged in the centuries that followed, including The Secrets of Angling by John Dennys in 1613, The Complete Angler by Isaac Walton in 1653, and A Fly Fishing Entomology by Alfred Ronalds in 1836. These and many other timeless books and articles continue to help fly fishing develop across the globe. Now, during these formative years, fly fishing tackle also continued to develop. Fly rods, fly reels, fly lines, leader material, and other critical components all evolved over time in both design and materials. And as fly fishing gear advanced, so did fly fishing techniques, as the more modern designs and materials allowed fishermen to cast further, fish at different depths, and greatly refine their presentation techniques. Yes, indeed, fly fishing gear has come a long way throughout the centuries, but again, many modern-day fly fishermen and fly fisher women still enjoy using some of the older designs, such as the split-cane bamboo rods, as using the more traditional gear can be a fun way to reconnect to the long, rich history of fly fishing. So that's a quick history of fly fishing, and by the way, I'm by no means the world's leading expert on this, so if you have any tidbits of fly fishing history, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.